Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called Birla Soft Limited. So this is a company in the IT sector. So this particular company is engaged in computer programming, consultancy and related activities. So this particular company is having a market capitalization of around 7,220 crore. So currently the stock price of this particular stock is around 260 range, and yearly high is around 282 and yearly low is around 46.6, 46.7. And when you look at the ROCE value, it is around 18%, 18.2%. ROE value, that return on equity, that is 12%. That is good. And when you look at the return over last 1 year, this is very nice. That is 196%. And last 3 years also the company has given 28 percentage, and return on over the last 5 years is around almost 25 percentage, 24.8. And another interesting thing is debt to equity ratio is almost nil, that is 0.07 percentage, and promoter is also having a very good holding, that is 40.9 percentage. So when you look at the chart, so from here in the month of May, you can see it is around 68 to 70 range. So once the moving average, that is 200 moving average, crosses this 50 moving average, then you can see there is a corresponding increase in the share price, and currently it is in the 260 range. So if you are investing some 1 lakhs rupees here, it would have fourfold increase in that value. That means if you 1 lakh, if you invested, if you know the compounding effect, then now it would have almost around 7 to 8 lakhs, 7.5 or approximately 8 lakhs around you will get. So that is a power of compounding here, because fourfold increase in the share price. So that will give you a very good advantage for your value of your money. So that is the advantage of this stock market, and also this particular very good companies, if you are buying at a lower price, that is the advantage. So because of this compounding effect, your money will increase like anything. This kind of increase within this last 10 months, that is getting that is 1 lakh is almost converting into 7.5 to 8 lakhs. So nowhere, if you keep your money in the bank and all, it will never increase. So try to open as fast as possible a demat account, and try to start investing in this very good, fundamentally very good companies, and you can definitely earn a lot of money. So this is for waiting only for the last 10 months. So if you are keep on waiting for 4 or 5 years, then you can imagine the growth. So it will be really very big, but we have to wait, and at the dip, whenever there is a market correction, that time you can buy. Then you need that particular patience to wait for a long time. Then definitely the market will give you very good reward. So when you look at the advantage of this particular company, this is almost debt free, and this company is also giving very good dividend, and debt days also improved from one not debtor days, that is improved from 104 to 82 days. So they have improved that days. Initially they have, yeah, keeping a loan for that particular days, now they have reduced that particular thing. So debt is also, this particular company's debt is also very less. So that is they have almost, you can say, it is nil. And when you look at the consolidated quarterly result, you can see consolidated statement of this particular company. You can see from all these consolidated profit and loss, you can see all the years, that is from 2009 onwards, the price of the stock is that is the whatever their net profit is keep on increasing, and EPS ratio is also keep on increasing, and they are also paying a very good dividend. So when you look at the compounded sales growth, that is also very good, that is 21%. Compounded profit growth, that is very good, 34%. Stock price CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, is last 1 year you see 196%, that is very nice. And return on equity is also very good, that is 12%. So now we will go to the technical chart. So in the technical chart, you can see from September 11th, so it just crossed this resistance, and you can see that was in around 173 level. Then it went to the high of 204. So then from September to December, it was trading in this, in between this particular range. So in December, I think 21st, it has crossed this particular resistance and went up to around 260, and maximum here you can see it went up to 280 also, 80, 82. Then now the price is consolidating in this particular range, that is 260 to 245 range. So once this break this particular resistance, then it can go up to a target of around 340, and it will not all of you know that is it will not immediately go, it will go to some extent higher, then it will little bit retracement will be there, then again it will go to the higher value, that is 340. So in near few months you can expect this particular target, and fundamentally and technically this particular company is looking very interesting. So those who are interested, you can go for this. Those who are starting, that is those who want to start the demat account, the link is given below, that also you can make use of, and with the zero money you can start a demat account. So these are all very good opportunities given by stock market, so try to utilize it, and also inform your friends and relatives with all these very good informations, and help everyone, so that our countries also will grow. So overall we can our country will progress towards in a very high level. Okay, so thank you for viewing my video. If possible, please share this information to all of you, your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.